Many people struggle to make fried peanuts at home. They either turn out soggy or easily burnt. Today, I'll share a foolproof method I learned from a chef with 40 years of experience. Trust me, once you master this, you've got a winning recipe. Most people simply add oil and start frying, but that's a mistake. Here's the secret to perfectly crispy and fragrant peanuts that stay crunchy for a long time without becoming soft. Ideal as a snack or to pair with drinks. First, prepare about 1,000 peanuts. Heat over medium-low and stir-fry gently to remove surface moisture. This step takes about 2 to 3 minutes and is crucial for preventing burning. Once done, turn off the heat and transfer the peanuts to a tray to cool quickly. Use chopsticks to stir them to release heat faster. When the pan has cooled, return the peanuts to it. Add 2 rounds of cooking oil and 5 garlic cloves. Fry over low heat, stirring constantly. The garlic not only infuses the peanuts with a wonderful aroma, but also helps gauge the doneness and color of the peanuts. For a spicy kick, feel free to add some dried chilies. Keep the heat low and fry until the peanuts start making popping sounds and their color deepens. By this time, the garlic will have turned golden, which is the perfect indicator that the peanuts are ready, usually after 6 to 7 minutes. Turn off the heat and immediately add a splash of strong liquor, like 82 proof alcohol. This crucial step evaporates excess moisture from the peanuts, enhancing their crispiness and ensuring they stay crunchy over time. Mix quickly and transfer the peanuts to a large tray to cool. Spread them out evenly to prevent residual heat from softening them. Once cooled, the peanuts will be wonderfully crispy, fragrant, and golden. The garlic, now golden as well, can also be eaten. Don't waste it, especially since garlic is expensive. Serve the peanuts on a plate, and you'll see how appetizing they look. This dish sells for 38 yuan at hotels, but you can make a big batch at home for just 5 yuan. Sprinkle with sugar or salt, mix well with chopsticks, and they're ready to enjoy. These peanuts are not only great with rice or as a snack, but also a perfect side for drinks. Kids love them too. You can make a large batch, seal them in an airtight bag, and they'll stay crunchy for months, just like freshly made. This dish is a staple on my family's dining table and always a hit. If you've learned something new today, save this recipe and try it at home.